All right, this is Steve with Sphere Rental. We're in the Pixel by Coachman. We're going to go over the generator. So it stop switch right here. So just push and hold down the start. So that's running now. It's really quiet. It takes about 30 to 40 seconds to send power. I usually wait until I see power on the microwave. You want to make sure your air conditioner is turned off before you start the generator. Same with plugging into power. You don't want anything turned on before you plug into power. And then once you have power, you can turn the air conditioner on. So there's the microwave. It beeped. It says it has power. Then we can go over, turn the air conditioner on. The generator is nice and quiet. It's actually quieter than the air conditioning. It can be on during travel if you want to run the air conditioner while you're driving, but the air conditioner up front is pretty powerful. Usually it's not a problem after you get going for a while. It'll keep up with the heat. We're going to go over the AC and water heater and furnace. So the air conditioner is controlled up here. It's just a normal air conditioner control. Set your temperature, your desired temperature. Right now it's really hot. It's above 100 degrees in here, so it says high. Basically, you're going to be able to set your cool and fan. It's all automatic, pretty simple. So the Truma controls your water heater and your furnace. So for the furnace, you'll go over to the RV icon and you just set your temperature, desired temperature over here. Obviously don't have this turned above the AC. That would be problematic. Right now we're plugged in, but it'll be using gas from the engine because we have selected our fuel source, which is over here, this little bottle. And you can do either fuel or mixed or electric only. So if you're plugged in, you don't want to use any of your fuel from the gas tank, you can just switch it to electric and it'll use electricity to heat. It's just not as efficient as using fuel. So you can do mixed and it'll use them both. The water heater is going to be this little icon. There's eco mode. So off or eco mode. Eco mode is just a little bit of hot water, not really hot, but good for dishes, or not dishes, but hands, stuff like that when you're traveling. Hot water is going to be more for dishes, but not taking a shower because it's not going to recharge as fast. If you want to take a shower, you're going to want to turn it to boost, and then it'll heat the water faster. So you just get in the shower, you'll blend the cold and hot water together like normal, but just try to mitigate water consumption because it is a small tank and a small system. So when you have set your furnace, I'm going to go over the fan. So you've set your furnace temp, and then you can go over to the fan and control its speed over there. So don't forget that.